The FMA serves a great role in the industry today and will continue going forward as the pool for thought leadership within our industry. They're the group that really helps get us all together, listen to our customers, and help the industry formulate a response to our customers' needs.
There's a variety of reasons that I attend the FMA Annual Meeting, but the main reason is it's my once-a-year time to get a crash course on everything that's going on in the industry. The FMA is a critical player in bringing manufacturers together and then giving us insight and information on what's happening outside of our businesses so we can do a better job running them.
Please come and join us where the entire metals industry meets to talk about all the issues and challenges facing us.
Please come join us next year at the FMA Annual Meeting in Miami, Florida.